it recording?
It is now.
Oh, ready?
Yeah. I told you to shut the office door.
You didn't.
Idiot.
Shit. That's what it sounds like when you wake up in the morning.
Actually walking over.
That's your alarm.
Can you do the intro today?
Nope.
Just say
You the
good
boss.
morning and hello. It'd be nice.
Fuck you lot, fixing more Tipo shit. Let's go.
Good morning.
Wow.
Go on, try it.
I ain't trying shit.
Awesome boobies.
Yeah, I don't know if I can add that in somehow.
Right, we're going to start then.
Yeah.
That was go-karting. They've given us 10% off your next event.
Yeah, how about they give us 10% more power?
Yeah.
Cutting
Right,
our power
okay.
second race, bastards.
Good morning, everybody. We are back, and we're back on the Tipo Sedicivalvole. And today we will be fitting the fuel lines and the...
Fitting, you've already done it.
Yeah, we done it. Yeah, we did. Me and Dan done it because you turned up late and we were here at 7.
Turned up late. Yeah, I like my sleep.
So,
Anyway.
guys, off camera, me and Dan have fitted the fuel lines from the coupe to the Tipo, which was literally plug and play, wasn't it? Even the connectors for the fuel pump,
Don't look at me, I didn't do it.
Well, we've used the fuel pump from the coupe
Yeah.
in this case.
that went straight in.
And the
plug
connectors fit
the
as
same.
well.
Yeah, literally, it's been such a lovely conversion so far, isn't it? Like it was meant for it.
Yeah. Apart from issues with the turbo.
Do you think today we'll get it started? Right.
I mean, we need to go and
Find
get
out.
fuel.
Yeah.
It needs fuel and I need to put the filter on. and we
I need
put the
to
fuel
wire
lines
in
up
the 12 volts sending down to the
Yeah.
fuel pump.
You have
so
to figure that out.
I need to make sure that the rest of the bits and bobs for the spark's done as well. So
But so far, how? Did you hear that? Like an earthquake.
Lightning like a thunder, isn't it? Yeah. JP.
was that gently squeezed? Yeah.
Shall we get cracking, guys?
It's like an orange.
Yeah, let's not put that in.
And today I
No,
want
that's going in. I don't give a
today I want in-depth like camera footage,
Mechanical footage.
JP.
People are
But
speaking.
yet they're going to moan if I'm holding the camera that I'm not working. I'm not paying you to hold a
Yes,
camera
and we
all
need to
day.
stand closer to the mics, don't we?
Yeah. And like you got me hard last week, so
What?
None of that.
I don't want to know what you guys are up to.
He got me
So no,
good
don't
and
even-
proper. Let's just work, yeah. Thank you.
You did do over. You caught him. You're an arsehole.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm surprised you kept your job, to be honest. We did say you'd get fired. if you did.
Can't fire me. I'm part of the furniture.
You can't fire a sofa. Oh, I need to do these.
Would you like to talk us through what you're actually doing, Dan?
Yes, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And I'm doing it up because people want to. Oh, yeah, I've got to have the mic, haven't I? Oh, no, wait a minute. I need another 19. Bear with. Right. So, at the moment, we are fitting the new fuel filter
On the new lines that you've just put into.
on the lines that we've just put in, yeah.
And it was literally plug and play, wasn't it?
It really was, yeah. Weird, eh? Oh, that's not gonna... I need to be able to hold that and do that up. Right, there we go. So there's a bit of a kink in the fuel line here, but once we put it up where it's going to sit, I should get rid of it.
JP, what are you doing over there? What's your game plan?
I'm going to do absolutely nothing today.
I'm going to try. Magically somehow reach the top of the car to do some wiring.
Oh yeah.
It's going to be literally 2 minutes of this.
Then I shall do the wiring once you're done.
Oh, that sounds like a much better plan, doesn't it?
And then we need to put the
Tunnel.
tunnel.
Or do you want to do that while the car's up in the air?
We need to put
Well, we need to do some stuff inside the car before we take that off, don't we?
Okay.
Do we not need to take the gear stick?
Did it not just drop out as soon as we just dropped this, the whole lot?
I don't know, I'm not a mechanic.
He's not lying.
One day in a very near future, JP is going to call me and say, Dan, I really need some help with my Fiat.
I'm just going to struggle and just
Proof point.
prove a point. Because I'm an asshole.
Yes. Yes, you are.
Right, okay. How you getting on?
Not bad, just trying to think of wiring it in safely.
So what's your theory? What are you trying
Well,
to do?
what I
first of
want
all?
to do is the coils and the fuel pump, I want to wire it into a relay with a fuse,
Yeah.
but have constant 12 volts going for the battery, but it doesn't activate until you turn the ignition on. And then it should, in theory, I'm hoping it should power on these two wires, one for the fuel pump, one for the coils. I don't
Yeah.
trust him behind me.
No,
You two trying to get me from last week now.
we're in cahoots, yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Intelligent input, darling.
Well, it won't be coming from you.
All right, go on then, connect it up and then we'll see if it works.
Yes.
Oh, JP, what have you got? What have you done?
So, going back to my earlier conversation of making the electrics a bit safe. What I want to do, as I said, is create a relay with a fuse for the coil packs and the fuel pump, but also give it straight 12 volts from the battery. So it doesn't have a dropout when you're higher revs and you end up leaning it out and blowing it up. So what I've done is I've tested this. So this is from the coupe loom. From the Tipo loom.
Mm-hmm.
So what I've done is the replicator, that's the battery, earthed it out. So if you come near me, you'll be able, or I can bring this up to me, you can hear. So this would be connected to the coil lead from the Tipo. So when you turn the key, that
Ignition lead, yeah?
that activates, and then once I've got it to stay, hopefully, then you'll find, there you go, you've got 12 volts to that one wire, and you've got 12 volts to that wire. So one for the fuel pump, one for the coils.
Well done, JP. You're not just good looks, are you?
He can read too.
Only if it's got pictures.
So now you need to
I need to find a place to,
wire it into the
Dan
car.
might have to make a bracket for this to bolt into the engine bay somewhere.
Why? There's a bracket there already for it. I'll show you. Look,
No, that still
what's
works.
that?
Yeah, there's a relay there, a bracket for the relay there already.
And yeah,
It's like 3 actually. 'Cause
Yeah.
Don't they go all along the back here?
they do, yeah.
So
However, we do need to fit the coils back there too, so we need to make some room for that.
Yeah. So this, we just need to wire in somewhere. We'll wire that straight into the battery, and then job's a good one.
Right, immobiliser's on.
Yeah. Don't try starting the car. I want to hear the relay click when you turn the key.
Yeah, hang on. Okay, hang on. Now,
Yeah, it clicked.
is the fuel pump working though?
Turn it off and on again.
Ready? Going off. On.
Don't hear anything.
You'll have to test for power up this end. Just make sure you're getting a voltage.
Relay's clicking, so we need to test to see if that wire is actually for the fuel pump. Because you might be wrong.
I might be. There is another wire there, isn't there?
Okay, shut it off. We'll have to come back to it. But the relay works. Works on the key.
Shall I turn it over?
No.
Right, let's see what they're up to. Update, JP?
So, unfortunately, the one wire you said it may have been the fuel pump isn't the fuel pump. Don't know what it's for, so that's out of the way. The one for the fuel pump, looked at the colour of the wire for the fuel pump, and it's green and black. So, I found the connector on the other loom down there. Connector is here. So, we are going to plug it in.
Oh yeah, we were supposed to show more.
Plug that in.
You were supposed to show more mechanical work.
There you go, look, wiring. Right.
You
Do you want to turn the key and let's see if we get a fuel pump this time?
Right, okay. It's got a silly immobiliser on it. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Yes!
No way!
Got fuel pump.
You really?
Yep.
Whoa! What?
It's leaking by the fuel filter.
Is it?
Yep.
Yeah, what's the better? It's outside.
What?
But the wiring works.
Okay, it's leaking bad.
Yes. It's leaking all over the fucking floor.
Oh, fuck's sake. What do you think that is?
Oh, Dan, man.
Can we chop it? Can we chop it and put it on?
I don't know. We need to see where it's coming from first. Let's
Or-
start
It might
Or-
be. Have you tightened up the bolt you have? Okay.
I've
Oh,
got
we need to
another
raise it
idea.
up.
I've got another idea. I've got some braided.
Might be. It come out so quick that
I didn't.
there was no pop or anything, so there's no pressure building up. So it might be it's coming out the washers.
Get it up in the air then. Let's have a look.
Much later.
Right. So we've now put some fuel in it.
How much did you put in there?
20 quid.
All in there?
I'll put it all in there.
Oh, wicked, nice one. Do you think it's getting to the rail?
It's getting to the rail. It's making a horrible noise though. We need to have a look into that.
I bet you it's the wrong way round.
It could be. We'll just have a look at the other Tipo.
No, well, there's no point because it's different now.
Oh, yeah.
So there's no point looking at Tipo. We'd need another coupe, 16 valve turbo. But
What, the
otherwise, we'd have to. No, Insquad is different. Otherwise, we're going to have to swap it round.
Yeah, we'll try it, won't we? So.
Yeah? All right.
Shall we try it then?
Go on then. Right, go for it. Is it in the right firing order?
Maybe. Come on.
Do you want me to do it?
Oh, I've got it.
Right, hang on.
Something's not right.
We don't have any vacuum at all, do we?
We don't have any vacuum.
For fuck's sake.
Go on then.
Let's give it a minute.
Wait! Oh no! Oh no!
What?
Oh yeah, no oil cooler pipes. It starts.
No, I just didn't do them up tight enough.
Oh,
Yeah, it was the vacuum. We need to block that off.
do you want to tighten it? Do you want to tighten it up and we'll try again?
It runs.
It
It runs. Hey! We did it.
I told you it would run.
I didn't check the dials though.
Don't worry about the dials.
It ran. That's
It
what
ran.
was.
We know it fires up now. So you've done it correct. Your wiring was right. So I think now
Did you hear that?
we tidy it up, the wiring, and then we can start plumbing in the vacuums and stuff.
And neating it, tidying it up.
Yeah, let's do that. I mean, what's the time? Let me check time.
12:30.
It's only, yeah, half
So in
12.
2 hours, I've got
Let's-
it all.
Yeah, let's spend another 2 hours on it. We'll get pretty far. And we might, yeah, let's just plumb in all the vacuums, add a control valve now. We know it fires up. That's mad, bloody, that's good. It's been a nice one, this has. All right, let's do that. Okay, so.
Well, we've now
Tell
wired
everyone-
in idle control, done that. You've worked on some back pipes. I've worked on some back pipes. I've blocked off the pipe vacuum that was underneath that's not needed.
Do you want to start it?
Start it up.
Go on then.
This immobiliser better not play up. Of course it does. Bloody immobiliser.
What clocks have we got that work in there?
I don't know yet. We'll soon find out.
The alarm only ever goes off again.
And it's not misfiring.
That pipes. Happy?
Why doesn't it like to rev though?
Because there's still VAT pipes that need sorting out. Remember, you've got
we haven't got any boost
you've got
control on it.
yeah,
at
you've
all,
got no
have we?
VAT.
So-
Yeah, you've got no
No intercooler.
Nothing.
Yeah.
You haven't got a complete circuit, so
Yeah.
No math.
and no
Math.
Doesn't
That's
have
why it's
a
not revving. Is it not?
don't have a math. I don't
It's a
think.
different. It's not like you think it is on this.
Oh no, it's the temps
Yeah.
and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. It
Right
starts
then.
on the button, don't it?
Do you know what that means, don't you?
What?
Pub.
Are you coming this week?
Yeah.
Come on then. Let's tidy up and go pub.
So, that's all for today's episode. Like and subscribe and whatever else.
You're wearing a cowboy.
See
At least
you
say
next
it. At least say it in a cowboy voice.
Yeehaw, Dan.
What?
Say yeehaw.
Do you always say it in a cowboy accent?
Do the outro in a cowboy.
No.
Have two mics. Have two mics. Go on.
Well,
Double
let's just stereo this shit.
Thank
Yeah.
you guys.
Like and subscribe so we can get more money.
But it's only
No.
1:51. Does that mean it's like half a day?
Oh yeah, you're not paying for the time. You're paying for the expertise.
Ooh.
Whoa!
Hey!
What's left to
JP.
do then? Wiring wise.
Well, we need to
throttle
start
cable.
wiring. I need to. Throttle cable needs to be done. I need to have a look into. Well,
And we never got the
we need to
tunnel
look
in.
at. We need to look at the dials and see what dials are working, see what's not working, and sort them out. But I need to sit there with the Bible.
Alright. Okay.
So
Say like and subscribe.
like, subscribe.
Bye.
Need more money.
Thank you guys. Was that enough mechanical?
Probably
not. It's probably another 10-minute video, but it's an
Probably not.
update.
Okay,
People-
so it's an update.
But anyway,
It runs on the button.
that is
Done.
yeah. I mean, that's a massive step, isn't it?
Mm.
Yeah.
So
I'm actually happy. Like
I think off camera we can do some of the small things,
Yeah.
like put the tunnel in, throttle cable, vac pipes and stuff like that. I'm going to make an exhaust for it. We're definitely going to have to film that.
It's going to sound like an interval.
screamer pipe, yeah.
No screamer pipe. No, we're going to be sensible here. We're going to make it sound like Ants integrally. But yeah,
We've done a thing, guys. You put an
know,
engine in and
I
got it
know.
running.
it's running. Ants' target this morning when we got it was, let's have it running.
No, I said that we would have it. We both said that we'd have it running. The bit that I'm actually proud of myself about is I've not looked at any other forums. I've done the wiring without looking at it. Just done it with the Bible.
It's amazing what common sense does for you, isn't it?
Well done, JP.
Well done,
Common
JP.
sense. Let's go.
You read a book.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks. Okay, so what? Right, okay.
You're not stop recording.
Thank you guys for watching.